Welcome friends. Today I'm going to express my views for all the students of law. It is not only for pre-first year, pre-second year, rather for the students even of LLB and pre-third, fourth, fifth year, all the students. And before commencing what I have to say, I will tell you, my dear friends, on the late president of SKJ Law College, Mr. the great personality, the great genius and the great leader reformer of India, Mr. LP Shahi. उन्होंने कॉलेज के प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में जो उनके समय का मैसेज लिखा हुआ he had clearly mentioned it. Do not discard English. It is the language of international commerce. Now, I have been watching, and I think you have gone in contact with so many teachers. Speaking English and writing English, particularly speaking English while a lecture is being delivered to you, it should always be kept in mind. You should also keep in mind what the fact is. This is a very old statement regarding English. Brevity is the soul of wit. ज्ञान और बुद्धि की आत्मा संक्षिप्तता है. You are going on, somebody is going on just speaking and speaking. ऐसे लगता है जैसे कि कोई जानवर जुगाली कर रहा हो मुंह में, and you are not pinpointing the fact where you have to arrive. And as the lawyers or as judges, you have to be the best draftsman. Your power of oration should be excellent and impressive. Not that you are lost in something and you are not pinpointing at a particular point. As regards paragraph writing, essay writing, all these things become very simple when you develop a command over the language. Unfortunately, in this city also, the shops of English are being run. अंग्रेजी की दुकानें चलती हैं, लोग ट्यूशन पढ़ने जाते हैं, and teachers provide them notes. That is simply misguiding the students. Always you must have your own power of expression. What I have been emphasizing to the students for the last more than 20 years in SKJ Law College. And I have the list of students. Some of them are in judicial service. Some of them are still practicing at Delhi Tisdari Court. And very often we come into contact with each other. And they appreciate, sir, as you guided us and as you took us ahead, now we feel very much confident among our colleagues that despite being from Bihar, we can speak English fluently and pinpointedly. Speaking and writing, both skills. Speaking English and writing. Speaking English and writing English, it is a skill. It is not, it has never to be very lengthy. Because you find if somebody is going on speaking something to you and he or she doesn't know the point where he or she has to hit, the point that has to be placed into your mind, and we are going to just talking as if we are talking to laymen. You are already the students, expert students, you are in a professional career. So, you have to be always to the point. Essay writing, paragraph writing is nothing if you have developed your own power of thinking, power of imagination, and mind it, if you have the powers. शब्दों की ताकत आप पास होनी चाहिए, because words have power. I will mention before you 2 examples. Remember Winston Churchill, whose you might have read in the history. He became twice the Prime Minister of Britain. And Winston Churchill was the Prime Minister of Britain during the most crisis phase, when Britain was just going to lose the battle. And Germany was just in a position to capture the entire Great Britain. Churchill, by his power of oration, by his power of speaking a skill, he energized the entire country. At that time there was no television. A radio broadcast every day at 9 a.m. in the morning was made, in which Mr. Winston Churchill addressed his army and civilians also. And I remember the lines which you should also keep in mind. He always told the people and the army also, my dear countrymen, I do not promise you anything other than tears and toils. मैं आपको आंसुओं और दुख के अलावा किसी चीज का वादा नहीं कर सकता था, ये विंस्टन चर्चिल ने कहा. और दिस statement, this sentence touched the heart of the army and the people, and ultimately Britain became victorious. These are the power of words. Now, just remember the beauty of language. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, I have nothing to mention, nothing to talk about his political career and his political aptitude and attitudes. His power, his literary capability, you just see. He was placed in Naini jail. इलाहाबाद के पास ही है नैनी, वहां जेल था. तो फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के दौरान पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू वाज इन जेल. एंड व्हाइल ही वाज इन जेल, he was frequently writing letter to Srimati Indira Gandhi. In one of the letters on her birthday, Pandit Nehru wrote a letter. Incidentally, मैं तो आपको ये बता दूं, that letter was published by Khwaja Ahmad Abbas in his book Return of the Red Rose, when Indira Gandhi became for the first time the Prime Minister of India. So that letter was included in that book, Return of the Red Rose में. तो वो कहते हैं पंडित नेहरू ने लिखा था इंदिरा गांधी के जन्मदिन पर. I still remember the sentence and you see the literary beauty of the expression. उन्होंने लिखा, Dear one, you are dear in sight, dearer still dear one, you are dear in sight, dearer still when the sight is denied. It was the love of a father towards his daughter. And you see the beauty of the language. This is the beauty of language that you have to develop. Not that honest labor never goes in vain, hard labor is the key of success. These are the topics on which you can very easily write. Simply you have to develop your power of expression, and that too requires not attending tuitions. You write frequently. One thing, develop the habit of reading books. The library of SKJ Law College, by the grace of late Sri L.P. Sahi, and at the same time our director Srimati Ujjwala Mishra, our president Mr. Mishra, they all have made our library, SKJ Law College library, so rich that abundant number of good books are available there. You have to develop that interest. You will have to go borrow the books from the library, read them, and by reading good books, by collecting the words, by memorizing the words, and by practicing, you can become greatest of the great writers, or to talk of just passing the examination. I will tell you, you are not required to attend any tuition fee to any teacher. You are not to go for notes. The teachers who provide notes to the students, they spoil the students, and they are not teachers. As regards whatever in class is dictated to you or written on the board, that is simply a model. It never means कि आपको वही पढ़ना है, उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है या उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आएगा. This is a misunderstanding created by anybody who says like this. क्लास में टीचर जो आपको बोर्ड पे डिक्टेट कराता है, बोल के या लिख के, वो एक मॉडल आंसर होता है कि वो इस तरह से आपको लिखना है. This is the way you have to develop the idea. And you see always, there is an old saying in Hindi, नाचे न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. तो अंग्रेजी उसका है कि a bad carpenter always quarrels with his tools. We don't see, we don't try to look into our own weaknesses. We don't pinpoint where we are losing the battle. And we go on describing unnecessary things, taking so long time of the students and the viewers. So, the first thing that you have to keep in mind, that the language must be chaste, C-H-A-S-T-E. Chaste, हिंदी शब्द अनुशासित. There is no scope of nonsense and unnecessary deliberation before the students of law for minutes and minutes together. You don't have that much time, and that time should not be spoiled. Your every second is important, and instead of listening my video for a longer time, better if you pick up a book. There are books in the market also, so many books, so many good books. And you see, books are the best friends. Books help you not only develop your power, you get the words, and words are real powers. Just see, Swami Vivekananda, when he went to Chicago Religious Conference, it was his power of oration, and at the same time, you just see, all the heads of the religions, they addressed the audience as ladies and gentlemen. It was Swami Vivekananda only who addressed the audience as brothers and sisters of America. लोग बहुत भ्रांतियां फैलाते हैं कि उन्होंने जीरो पर भाषण दिया, ये नथिंग ऑफ दिस सॉर्ट. उन दो ही बातों ने इट कॉट द अट्रैक्शन ऑफ ऑल द ऑडियंस. पहली बात, he addressed brothers and sisters of America. Second thing, he just mentioned, I don't advocate my own religion, as all the smaller rivers ultimately go into the sea. Like that, all the religions of the world merge into one, and that is the one and the one, what we call as Brahma, Brahmand in Hindi, universe in English. So like that, while developing your speaking English or writing English, the first thing is that you write in less number of words and always try to be to the point. While you are talking, while you are delivering a lecture, even during that period, you have to always keep in mind what you are going to talk about. What is the point you are hitting at? Do not deviate too much. And just making unnecessary allegations and describing nonsense things, that is not the matter. The chaste language must be chaste, one thing. Your writing, your expression should be to the point. Third thing, the power of words. These are step-to-step guidelines from me to you. And be self-dependent. Do not depend on teachers for getting the notes. A teacher who promises that, "Acha, hum aapko note de denge," they are spoiling you. Prepare your notes yourself. Yes, you get it checked by the teachers. And the answers which are dictated or written on the board in the class, उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि टीचर आपको ये कहा कि मैं जो ये पढ़ा रहा हूँ, ये लिखा रहा हूँ, यही क्वेश्चन है. Teachers give you concept, that is an idea, that is a kind of model answer on which line you have to prepare your answers, and that will help you all. कहाँ तक आप किसी का नोट लेके तैयार करेंगे? Suppose you are going in the Supreme Court and you are having a discussion. Do you think this prepared notes from the teacher will help you there? You will be tomorrow in Supreme Court. You may go into the International Court of Justice. Just see the great lawyers, Ram Jethmalani, and when there was Palkhiwala, they did never prepare notes during their student life. I have read their life history. They developed their writing skill by their own efforts, and that effort is nothing but reading the books, keeping in touch with your teachers, and don't be a tuition attendant to a teacher. Write your answers, give your teachers, they will check it and hand it over to you, and go on improving it. Improvement at every level. Even I am a teacher. I have been teaching in law college for more than 20 years, but I still try to improve myself. I am still gathering new words, because I think having and knowing words that are at your disposal, at your tongue, and while you are writing, the words which emerge in your mind, they are your power, real power. Words have the capacity, the capability to capture the audience. Words have the capability to convince anybody in the world. And there is no other medium so important as the words, either at the time of speaking or at the time of writing. So, speaking and writing both are skills. And for developing your writing skill, don't depend on writing paragraphs and essays that you will yourself write and you will get it checked. It is more important that you develop your vocabulary. You read the books, collect the words, and try to memorize them in due course, and write your answers. At least 2 answers, 3 answers in a week, and then get it checked by your English teacher, and that will lead you towards perfection. Always remember, it is not simply a proverb. Practice makes a man perfect. In whatever profession, in any attempt to attain perfection, the only formula is practicing. I remember when our Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, when he became the Chief Minister for the first time, the interviewer on the television asked him, सर आप कहते हैं कि आप बिल्कुल प्रशासन को चुस्त दुरुस्त कर देंगे, सो व्हाट मिरेकल डू यू हैव, आपके पास कौन सा अलादीन का चिराग है? एंड सी व्हाट इज कॉल्ड चेस्ट आंसर एंड चेस्ट रिप्लाई. Nitish Kumar did not utter sentences, he uttered thrice: good governance, good governance, good governance, and that was the complete answer. And this answer requires no explanation. He manifested it. He still is manifesting it. So like that, my dear friends, do not use too many words. Do not deviate from the main point, and do not go on criticizing. Be pointed, develop your power of concentration, collect the number of words you can collect from different books, magazines, develop the habit of reading newspapers. I always advise, if you read the editorial of the newspapers, you will get so many good words there, and those words will make you not only a master of writing English, they will make you capable to convince the audience, they will make you capable to write such drafts that will be easily accepted, that will be convincing to the judges before whom you will just put up and present your drafts. So that is the quality that you have to develop in English. Not that don't feel helpless and don't deviate, don't depend on any criticism. Let there be criticism. You remain firm and pointed that I have to develop the capability of writing and speaking English. If you have a stronger will, you develop your willpower, and that willpower will make you as you want to be, as you desire to be. And one more thing, लोग कहते बड़ी बड़ी बातें नहीं करनी चाहिए, बड़ी ही बातें करनी चाहिए, बड़ी ही चीज सोचनी चाहिए, क्योंकि झोपड़ी का स्वप्न देखने वाला कभी महल नहीं खड़ा कर सकता है. अगर 2-4 मंजिले का मकान भी कोई बनाएगा, वही जो महल का सपना देखता है. जिसने सपना ही झोपड़ी का देखा, वो क्या महल बनाएगा? इसलिए बड़ी बात, बड़ी सोच रखिए. बड़ी सोच का जादू बहुत बड़ा होता है. बी एम्बिशियस. आई विल नॉट एडवाइज यू टू बी कंप्रोमाइजिंग इन योर लाइफ. एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you are not going to fight any war. You have to fight the war of words. Collect and develop that capability to express yourself. Read the books, read the magazines. You see, one thing that I'd like to quote here right now. ये अपने दिमाग में इस बात को रखिए. सक्सेस लाइज नॉट इन डूइंग व्हाट यू लाइक, रादर इन लाइकिंग व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. सफलता जिस काम को करने में मन लगता है वही करने में नहीं है, उस काम में मन लगाने में जो आपको करना है. यू हैव टू बी ए लॉयर, यू हैव टू बी ए जज इन द डेज टू कम. सो you will have to develop your speaking and writing English skill. And without reading the editorials of the newspapers, without reading the books by the great authors, you cannot develop mastery over your language. And if you develop this habit and also start, don't wait for it, start it right now. This moment is the best moment to begin with. This is the best moment to start a crusade in your life, to become the most extraordinary student and to become the most extraordinary lawyer. And believe that you can be. First, believe in yourself. That is the most important factor. Don't depend on opinion being expressed by others. Depend on yourself. Fix your goal and march towards it. Destiny can be created by you. You can make your destiny. Be so much self-confident. And as far as the power of language is concerned, I think this is one of the most essential power of an individual who has to lead. No, leadership does not mean only political leadership. Leadership in any field of life. Nipal Kiwala, Ram Jethmalani, Prashant Bhushan, and such others. They are leaders in their field. Going to the past, Vallabhbhai Patel, to some extent Pandit Nehru also, but Pandit Nehru के साथ एक कमी थी कि वो उर्दू के अलग बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते थे और थोड़ा इमोशनल हो जाते थे. But anyway, that was a different thing. Our late president, you might have watched in the ceremonies in the college campus, how he chose the limited number of words and he took very little time. He did never deliver more than 3 to 4 minutes lecture. But those 3 and 4 minutes were so much enlightening that the students, the audience, everybody understood and everybody was inspired by it. So be encouraged and develop enthusiasm, utsah. Last thing that I want to tell you, I will not prolong the discussion. I repeat, speaking and writing English is a skill and that can be developed by practice. If you ask me again, I will tell you the only solution is practice, practice and practice. That will make you perfect. No advice of the teachers. Just go on reading books. Read the editorials. Note down the words. Consult the dictionary. Consult your mobile phone. Find out the meanings. You will have to lever. Our lever has got no alternative in any field of life. Everybody who has to lead and who has to succeed will have to be laborious. So while developing this speaking and English skill, please develop your capacity and develop your capability, and it is within your own hands. And never hanker after notes from the teacher. उससे अच्छा है तुम जाके गाइड खरीद लो और गेस्ट पेपर मार्केट में पढ़ के और वो दे दोगे 40-45% मिल जाएगा. बट अब टीचर्स आर सो कॉम्पिटेंट. हर विषय के शिक्षक आपको दे रहे हैं, क्लास में ज्ञान दे रहे हैं. और यू आर मोस्ट फॉर्चुनेट टू बी द स्टूडेंट ऑफ एसकेजे लॉ कॉलेज. मैं ऊपर की बात तो ऊपर के लोग हैं जो एलएलबी की क्लास में पढ़ाते हैं वो सभी ज्ञानी हैं. हमारे हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, सोशियोलॉजी के जो टीचर्स हैं दे आर ऑल लर्नेड स्कॉलर्स. आप उनके क्लास को अटेंड करिए सीरियसली और सीखिए वो कैसे अपने बातें रखते हैं, कैसे वो आपको बतलाते हैं. दैट इज द गाइडेंस ऑफ द गुरु. ऑल द टीचर्स इन एसकेजे लॉ कॉलेज all are very much competent. You have simply to be a sincere student. So again, coming back to the developing speaking and writing skill, my dear friends, read books, read the editorials of the newspaper, find out their meanings and go on writing and writing. Get it checked. One day you will attain perfection, and it will not be long walk. In a very short while you will be a master of expression, and that is all, because power of expression is the greatest tool that will help you in achieving the heights of your career. This is all that I wanted to tell you. Start it today. Do not wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow never comes. Don't criticize. Do not lend your ears to what others say. Be pointed. Be oriented to the goal. अर्जुन की तरह चिड़िया की केवल उस आंख को देखिए जहां आपको तीर मारना है. बाकी डाल पात पत्ते को मत देखिए और सबको नरेट मत करिए. Be pointed, and that will help you, I assure, and you will yourself test it, that you can find a difference in yourself within one week. And one more thing, for spoken English, find some friend, girls or boys. Whenever you get time, try to have speak in English. That is the only formula, that is the only solution, and that will help you become expert in spoken English also. And writing also, the writing skill can be developed by reading books, editorials, and but one thing that is most essential, remember कलाम साहब ने जो कहा था कि हमारे सपने वो नहीं होते हैं जो हम नींद में देखते हैं, हमारे सपने वो होते हैं जो हमें नींद में सोने नहीं देते हैं. तो वो बेचैनी आपको अपने अंदर आगे बढ़ने के लिए पैदा करनी होगी, तभी आपका नाम सूरज की तरह आकाश में चमकेगा. एंड इट इज माई विश एंड इट इज माई प्रेयर टू गॉड कि हमारे सारे स्टूडेंट्स, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, आप आकाश के तारों की तरह नहीं, आकाश में सूरज की तरह चमकें. दिस इज माई विश एंड दिस इज माई प्रेयर टू गॉड. थैंक यू.